Today we're gonna try ham here in Bellaire. Look how cool. So awesome. Vietnamese food. It's so pretty. They have a tuk-tuk or a rickshaw that we have in India. My trip to India also had this, so it's kind of decoration. And outside, look how nice. They have like how they do it in Vietnam. So it's really cool. I love it. And inside it's really beautiful too, modern. And it's kind of like cultural and you know, it's interesting. I love it. Let's try it now. Let's try the food. One of my favorites, bonnet. Look, the classic kind of like metal glass for the water. So cute. I saw here chicken feet. That is traditional in their cuisine. Also in Brazil, actually. And then frog legs. A lot of different stuff. Look at this. It's so nice, guys. It's really cute. It's really nice. I have no clue what that means. This is kind of thirsty. That's what they just explained me. Look at that, guys. Clam and coconut sauce. Look at that, guys. Shrimp fried rice. It's so pretty. Damn. So good, guys. The crispy part is crazy good. Everything is good. Super good. And I can tell you guys, the food is delicious. The restaurant is approved. So today we're gonna try shaved ice cream. Look at that. It will be good. I'm curious about that. See, let me show here. You pick the ice cream, and then you have the toppings.
So actually, it's going to be attentive.
So we're gonna try a little bit. Good. Recommend Bellaire in Houston, Texas.